Let me tell you about my new purchase, my Mr. Heater, Blue Flame. I bought the Mr. Heater because the temperature dropped down to 8 degrees, and I said, whoa, my heat pump wouldn't make it. I purchased the Mr. Heater from Northern's Tool. It was $239. I bought the blower from Amazon, and it was $35. And then I bought the hose kit for $53 from Amazon. And at Northern's, I used a $20 off coupon, so that brought the price on down. But what I like about the heater is, it throws out a lot of heat, and the blower helps, but it works pretty good without the blower. Now, what I'm amazed about, and I'm still confused about, because what I didn't see on any reviews is that this thing is somewhat thermostat control. I just don't know exactly what that means yet, because I've only used it one day. But I know it cycles on and it cycles off. I'm talking about the Blue Flame itself. And so I just don't know exactly what the settings mean in relations to my thermostat in the house. How is it going to work? At what temperature would it come on and cycle on and off? So that I don't know. But overall, right now, I'm in love with this little thing, and I think it's going to do an amazing job, and I would recommend the purchase.